Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or enable Google Chrome apps auto sign in on your desktop PC. Then I'll show you a quick method on modifications. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your Chrome browser and then click, and then once you open up, and then you need to select the three dotted icon on the top right corner of the browser and then click. And then you need to scroll down and select the settings gear button here and then click again. And once you open up here at your Chrome settings, here at left side navigation panel, and then you need not to tap or click this autofill and password and then click. And then on right side underneath here at autofill and password, then you need to tap or click this Google Password Manager and then click. And once you open up here at Google Password, here at left side navigations panel again, then you need to tap or click this settings. And then here now at settings, and then you need now to select this sign in automatically. So Google Password Manager remembers how you sign in, automatically sign you in when possible. When off, you will be asked for confirmations every time. So a quick details that Chrome apps auto sign in refers to the ability of the browser to automatically sign user into website or apps using their saved Google account credentials, and aims to provide a seamless login experience, especially for returning user. It can be configured to either automatically sign user in or require confirmations before doing so. So if you want to turn on this feature, so click inside this oval one time, toggle to the right corner, meaning it's enabled. Otherwise, you just click inside of it one more time, toggle to left corner, it's be grayed out and it's turn off or disabled. Okay, so thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on Chrome settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.